So tomorrow I'm going to start my walk from Wagga to Tumbarumba. It's a total distance of 155 to 160 kilometres, and I'll be going through the villages of Ladysmith, Tarcutta, Humula, Rosewood, and my final destination, Tumbarumba. From Wagga to Tumbarumba is an unused train line. Part of that line has been developed into a rail trail. That part of rail trail that has been developed is from Rosewood to Tumbarumba. The rest of the rail section from Wagga to Rosewood has not been developed yet. So for most of my walk, I'm going to be walking on a highway and back roads. If this unused train line was fully developed into a rail trail, meaning it could be used by cyclists and walkers, this potentially could be the Riverina's Camino. And why do I say Camino? Because when you look at the map and you look at these little villages, many of these villages have unused churches. So just like the unused train line, these unused churches could be repurposed to bring tourists and tourism to these towns that are really lacking in economy. It could be a game changer for this region. People would come to walk the Camino de Riverina. One of the reasons I wanted to walk this route was to get a better understanding of the tiny towns and villages along the way. As a kid, I spent time in the towns of Ladysmith, Rosewood, and even a few trips to Tumbarumba. But so much has changed since that time, and I feel the only way to truly understand what these towns have to offer now is to go walk the route. I know by this time tomorrow night, I'm going to be a herding puppy. I should be in Ladysmith by this time tomorrow night. I haven't walked big mileage with a backpack on since before my surgery. And even then, most of my big walks were with a push cart. So actually having weights on my back, it's been a while. I'm really grateful to my GP at Tatton Medical Center, who's helped rebuild my body since my cancer surgery, and also to my pelvic floor specialist at the Wagga Women's Health Center. Without these two amazing women working to build my body back, I wouldn't be able to do this walk this week. So very grateful, but I know I'm going to be a herding puppy tomorrow night.